Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the CAN-immobilizer on the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq. Alright, let's get started. The system connectors and wiring are located right here, underneath the steering wheel. First, we need to remove the side and lower steering column covers. They're held in place with clips at the top and a few screws at the bottom. Once the covers are off, you'll see the system connectors. We're looking for this cable right here. Unplug it. Then connect one plug from our immobilizer device to the car's connector, and the second plug to the system cable. Then, put all the covers back in place and secure them properly. That's it. You're all done. Now to activate the device, you've got two options. Use the mobile app, which you can download on your smartphone, or simply pull the high beam lever 4 times. Good luck with your install, and I'll see you in the next video.